Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 24. Isa alayhi salam. Name: Isa alayhi salam. Title: The Spirit from Allah, born of a miracle. Also known as full name: Isa ibn Maryam, Jesus, son of Mary. Al-Masih, the Messiah. Ruh minhu, a spirit from him. Kalimatullah, the word of Allah, mentioned by name 25 times in the Quran. Birth and lineage: son of Maryam alayhi salam, a pure and chaste woman. No father, born by Allah's command. Be and it is. Indeed, the example of Isa before Allah is like that of Adam, born miraculously after the angel Jibreel conveyed the message to Maryam. Infancy: spoke as an infant in the cradle to defend his mother. Indeed, I am the servant of Allah. He has given me the scripture and made me a prophet, born in Bethlehem and raised in Palestine. Mission and revelation: received the Injil, gospel, a book of guidance and light, sent to the children of Israel to confirm the Torah and guide them back to Tawheed. Opposed corruption and hypocrisy of scholars and leaders. No wife or children. Remained unmarried and childless during his life on earth. Dedicated entirely to dawah, worship, and the spiritual mission. No evidence in Quran or Sunnah of any worldly attachments. Miracles by Allah's will: spoke in infancy, healed the blind and lepers, breathed life into a clay bird, raised the dead by Allah's permission, knew what people stored in their homes. All miracles are affirmed in Surah Al-Imran and Surah Al-Ma'idah. Disciples and preaching: had loyal disciples who are my helpers in the cause of Allah. Call for belief in one God, not to be worshipped himself. Plot against him and ascension: leaders plotted to kill him. He was not crucified or killed. Allah raised him up alive. They did not kill him nor crucify him, but it was made to appear so. Lifted to the heavens and will return before the day of judgment. Return before Qiyamah. Will return to earth as a just ruler, not with a new Sharia. Will break the cross, kill the swine, and establish justice. Will follow the law of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Legacy and status in Islam: one of the greatest prophets. Highly honored in Islam but never worshipped. Central figure of interfaith dialogue, Islam affirms his miraculous birth and prophethood but denies divinity. Key qualities: truthful and humble, spiritually pure and ascetic, unmarried and devoted fully to Allah, patient with hardship and false accusations. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more prophet facts.